Yo, what's going on, world? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna review the custom skin that I ordered from skin'em.com. Just got it in the mail. I'm unpackaging it, and I'm gonna tell you, I'm very impressed with the quality of the work. It was poly wrapped and everything. I ordered a Houston Astros retro theme 1980s skin, and oh man, he included a thank you card, y'all. Yo, that's a nice touch, brother. Here are the clearly printed instructions for us to follow and get the best installation possible. This is the top layer, and I can tell that it's very high grade material. The print is clean and crisp, and the cuts are very precise. Here's the body for the MPC sample, and again, clean, crisp prints and very precise cuts. I can tell that it's gonna fit like a baseball glove, pun intended. All right, here are the instructions. It says the MPC must be free from dust, debris, oils. So I'm gonna be using alcohol and a soft microfiber cloth to wipe it down. It also says to use dental floss to remove the knobs. Initially, I tried these picks, but the plastic prevents it from wedging underneath the knob, which is what you need to remove the knob. So these are no good. Try the original dental floss. And what you're gonna do is wedge it underneath the knob and pull up slightly on it. When you do this, be careful to hold on to the knob, because I tried one before the camera was rolling and it flew like a champagne cork and I almost lost it. I was freaking out. Also, the knobs have this small indenture that you can use to help you leverage while you're pulling. But again, hold on to that knob. Once the knobs came off, I cleaned my MPC with alcohol and a soft microfiber cloth. I'm not recommending that you do this. I tried in an inconspicuous place and saw that my unit did not get damaged, and I was comfortable doing it, but I'm not telling you to do it. Now, this is the part that hurt the most. I had to remove the factory film that came with my MPC sample, but that's the reason why I wanted a skin to begin with, because the film was already coming off and I wanted to protect my MPC. And here I'm just cleaning the part where the film was coming off, and I'm trying the skin on for size. And look at the precision. This is top notch, brother. And that's the body part of it, and it fits like a glove. The next step is to remove the backing from the adhesive part. Be careful when you do this so that you don't bend or crease or tear the vinyl, because although it is high grade material, if you're too rough, which I was a little bit, you may tear it or bend it or crease it. All right, so you want it to look as sharp as possible. Just be gentle, be patient. Once the adhesive is all off, you can secure your skin in place. One of the things that I like about the adhesive, rather than the whole backing being sticky, is that if you need to reposition your skin, you can very easily adjust it to wherever you want it, wherever you like it. And here's me doing that. Again, this step is going to require for you to be gentle, which I tend to be impatient and rough, but nonetheless, it still came out very neat. So here is the end of step one. This is how it came out. Very neat, very precise. As I progressed, it was difficult to take the adhesive backing from the body part, so I ended up borrowing these tweezers from the wifey, and that helped out a lot, because frankly, that was probably the hardest part. Once I placed the skin on the body, there was absolutely no room for error. Everything fit precisely. Now I'm just securing the adhesive, make sure that it's on there firmly, and I'm gonna go ahead and replace my knobs. So the verdict is in. Skin'em.com custom MPC sample skins. Are they worth it? Only if you want to protect your MPC sample. Now here's the really cool part. You can email them any image and they will create the design for you to approve. Once you approve that, they'll produce the skin and take a picture of the skin on an MPC sample for final approval. They're fast, efficient, reliable, and based in the USA. Are they worth it? Absolutely. Skin'em.com. Give them a try. Till next time, peace and blessings. I'm out.